Hello students, welcome to Nagesh Karazgi Orchid channel. I am Veena teacher teaching you maths. Okay, so today, as I said, we are going to start our new chapter, that is second one, addition and subtraction. Do you remember we have studied in third standard addition and subtraction of 4-digit number. Okay, so let us see one by one. Open your canopy, page number 22. But in fourth standard, what we are going to do in addition and subtraction, we are going to do addition and subtraction of 5-digit and 6-digit number with regrouping and without regrouping. Okay, so before that, we will recall the addition and subtraction of 4-digit number. Okay, so once we revise, so you will understand how to solve 5-digit and 6-digit. So addition, you know all, add 4-digit number. The numbers are written in order one below. And how we do addition? How we keep one below in the place value chart, ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Okay, and how we will start the addition? We start additions from ones place. First we will do the addition of ones place, then tens place, then hundreds place and thousands place. And do not forget to give the carry over. Okay, if carry is there. Now see this example, 6 plus 6, 12. So 12, so 2 will write on ones place, 10, here 12 is there, so tens is there, so this 1 will carry over to tens place. Okay, in this way, so it will go here. Then again add 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 6 is 12, so 2 will remain here, 1 will go to hundreds place. So 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 5, 11. So 11, 1 will write on hundreds place and remaining 1 will go to thousands place. Now when we add 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 2, it becomes 6. Okay, this you have studied fully in third standard. Okay, just we are revising it. Now what about subtraction? Okay, you know the subtraction of 4-digit number. So what we do? We subtract one number from another number. And how we write? The numbers are written one below the other. And the thousands, hundreds, tens and ones should appear one below to other. Means properly we have to write everything. And from where we start subtraction? From where we start subtraction? From ones place. First we will subtract ones place, then tens place, then hundreds place, then thousands place. And what we will do? We will regroup if required. Okay. Now we will see this subtraction. 8 minus 6 we can subtract easily. So answer is 2. Then next 5 minus 6. 5 minus 6 we cannot do. So just cut the 5, write as it is and take borrow from neighbor. Neighbor is having 4, he will give 1, 4 will remain. Now 15 minus 6. Now 15 fingers we don't have. So what you have to do? Count just from after 6 to till 15 comes. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So total 9. Okay. Now 4 minus 5 we cannot do. So just take one borrow from neighbor. Neighbor is having 3. He will give 1. 2 will remain here. Now 14 minus 5. So count after 5 till 14 comes. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again 11, 12, 13, 14. 5 plus 4 is 9. So now 2 minus 2, 0. So the answer is 992. Okay. So here they had given some questions also to recall your memory to solve 4-digit numbers. Okay. Let us start solving. On page number 22. See this. 9 plus 6. Tell me students. Now you're in 4th standard. You should not keep fingers in this way. Okay. So you should know directly addition. 9 plus 6. Okay. 9 plus 6 is 15. So write 5 downside. 1 will go to carry to the tens place. Now 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. So write 8 here. 1 will carry over to the hundreds place. Now 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. So this you are going to solve in the textbook itself. Okay. This is 3-digit number we have solved. Now let me solve one more question for you. That is 5th one. 5th one they had given 4-digit number. We always start addition and subtraction from ones place, that is from left side. Okay. Now 7 plus 8. Now 7 plus 8, tell me. 15. So 5 will write downside, 1 will go to carry. Now 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 5, yes, 7 plus 5 is 12. So we write 2 in tens place and 1 will give to carry to hundreds place. Now tell me 1 plus 7, 8. And 8 plus 9, 17. So 7 write in hundreds place and 1 will go to carry in thousands place. Now 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. Understood? The answer is 9725. Okay. They are given some more question on page number 25. Sorry, 23. So you know very well now addition. Okay. Now 10 sums are there. You solve by your own. Now I will tell you 2 sums of subtraction. Now see, from 11 to 20 they had given the examples of subtraction. Now see here. First one I will solve. 11th one. 3 minus 2. Subtraction also we have to start from ones place, that is left side. Okay. 3 minus 2, 1. 8 minus 9 we cannot do. So what we have to do? Just cut the 8, write as it is. Take 1 from neighbor. Neighbor is having 6. He will give 1 here. So what will remain with neighbor? 5. So write 5 here. The 18 minus 9. So what you have to do? Count 9 after till 18 comes. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay. So what is the number? Yes students, 9 after 9 will come. Okay. So 5 minus 4, it become 1. Got it? Now this is 3-digit subtraction. Now I will solve one more for you, 17 number, 4-digit subtraction. Now see, 2 minus 9. Okay, we cannot do because 2 is smaller number than 9. So just cut the 2 and write as it is. Take 1 borrow from neighbor. Neighbor is having 3. He will give 1. 2 will remain with neighbor. Now 12 minus 9. What you will do? Just count the numbers till 12 after 9. After 9, 10, 11 and 12. How many? 3. So write 3 here. Okay. Now 2 minus 9. Again we cannot do. Just go to neighbor. Neighbor is having 8. He will give 1. 7 will remain. Again 12 minus 9. Just count after 9 till 12 comes. 9 after 10, 11, 12. Again same 3. So write 3 here. The 7 minus 9 we cannot do. So ask your neighbor to give 1 borrow. Neighbor is having 9, he will give 1, 8 will remain with neighbor. Okay, now 17 minus 9, just count after 9 till 17 comes. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. How many? 8. So write 8. Now 8 minus 7, you know very well, 1. Got it? One more example I'll solve for you, that is 20. Okay, see the question. 3068 minus 2489. Now 8 minus 9, can we? No, we cannot. So cut the 8, write as it is, and take 1, borrow from neighbor. Neighbor is having 6, he will give 1, 5 will remain with neighbor. So write 5. Now 18 minus 9, just count 9 after till 18 comes. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. How many? 9. So write here 9. Got it? Now 5 minus 8, we cannot do. So go to neighbor, see that neighbor is having 0. He cannot give anything, he don't have any number. So what we will do? We will go to the next neighbor. This neighbor is having 3, he will give 1, here 2 will remain. Now this neighbor is having 10, now he can give 1. So we will ask this neighbor to give 1, he will give 1, now here with him 9 will remain. Okay. Now 15 minus 8, what we have to do? Just count numbers from after 8 till 15 comes. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many? 7. So write here 7. Now 9 minus 4. Okay. 5. 2 minus 2, 0. The answer is 579. Understood? Yes students, very easy. This you have studied in 3rd standard. Remaining all sums you will solve by yourself in the textbook itself. Understood? Now we will see the new concept of this chapter, that is addition of 4-digit numbers with 5-digit answer. Means we are going to add 4-digit numbers only, but we get the answer in 5-digit. Okay. Now see, for example, add 6,643 and 8,579. So what we will do first? We will draw the place value chart and we will write the numbers one below each other in the place value chart. Okay, so we have written 6,643, 8,579. So what is the first step? Add ones. Always we have to start addition from ones place only. So we will start from ones place. What is there on ones place? 3 plus 6. What is the 3 plus 6? We get 9. Now what is the second step? Second, we have to add tens place. What is there on tens place? 4 plus 7. So 4 tens plus 7 tens, it becomes 11 tens. Okay. Now 11 tens, what we have to do? 1 we have to write on tens place and 100 1 should go carry to carry to hundreds place. Okay. Now we are given carry to hundreds place. Now we have to add these 3 numbers. We have to regroup with carry also. First 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. So how we will write 12? 2 will remain as it is in hundreds place. 1 we have to carry to the thousands place. Now 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 8, 15. Now there is no number to give carrier. Okay. So what you will do? We will write 15. So see, we have added 2 4-digit number and we got the answer 5-digit number, that is 15,219. Okay, simple, very simple. Now we will solve our exercise 2.1. So what is the question of 2.1? Add. Just we have to add these numbers. Okay. So they had given the numbers here. 8 examples they had given. I will solve 4 examples. Remaining 4 you will solve by your own. What is the first question? 5,395, 6,347. These both are 4-digit number. We will add now. Now tell me 5 plus 7. We have to start addition from ones place. Okay. 5 plus 7. Yes students. 5 plus 7 is 12. So 12, how we will write 12? 2 we will write on ones place and this 1 we will carry to tens place. Got it? Now next. Now we have to add these 3 numbers with carry also. Now tell me 1 plus 9, 10. Now 10 plus 4, 14. So how we will write 14? 4 we will write on tens place and 1 we will carry to hundreds place. Now we will add again these 3 numbers. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. Okay. Now only 7 came. So no need to carry anything. Nothing is there. Now 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6, 11. So 1, 1, 11 we will write here only. So when we add 4 to 4-digit number, we got the answer of 5-digit number. That is 11,742. Okay. I will solve third one for you. What is the third one? 8,888 plus 3,333. Now 8 plus 3. Tell me 8 plus 3. What you will do? Addition. 8 after 3 you count. 8 keep in your mind. 3 on finger. What I want to tell you here, now you are in 4th standard. So you should not keep fingers. Try to do in your mind. It's okay. If you can't do, go with the fingers only. How you will do with fingers? First number keep in your mind, that is 8 and 3 on fingers. Count after 8. 8 after 9, 10, 11. So 11. How we will write 11? So 1 is on ones place and this one will carry to tens place. Now we will regroup this. We will add this number to this both the numbers. Now 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. So in 12 we'll write 2 in tens place. This one will carry to hundreds place. Okay. Why I am writing like this? You should understand which number we should write in tens place, which number we should carry. Okay. Now 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 3, same, 12. 1 will carry, 2 will remain in hundreds place. Now same again, 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. See, again we got same 5-digit answer. When we add 2 4-digit numbers together, we are getting the answer in 5-digit number. The answer is 12,221. Now we will solve 6th one for you. What is the 6th one? 9,875. And we have to add in that number 555. Now here you see, 1 4-digit is there, 1 3-digit is there. Okay. Now we will do the addition. 5 plus 5. Yes students, tell me 5 plus 5, 10. So how we will write? 0 on ones place, 1 will carry to tens place. Now 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 5. Yes. Tell me 8 plus 5. Okay, if you don't know, keep in your mind 8, 5 on fingers, 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So write 3 here, 1 will carry to hundreds place. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 5. If you don't know, go with finger. 9 after 5 fingers. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So write 4 in hundreds place and 1 will carry to thousands place. Now 1 plus 9, remain. See, till now we have done addition of 4 digit, we got the answer 5 digit. But when we are solving one 4 digit number and one 3 digit number, then also we got answer in 5 digit. Are you getting? Okay. So it depends on number, what answers we get. Now I will solve one more for you, that is 8th one. What is the 8th one? 6666, 4448. Now we will add. Okay. Now help me students. 6 plus 4, very easy, 10. So we write 0 on 1's place, 1 we will carry to 10's place. Now tell me 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 4, 10. Sorry, not 10, 11. So 1 we will write on 10's place and 1 we will carry to 100's place. Again same addition is there. 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 4, yes, 11. So again we will carry, we will write 1 in 100's place and 1 we will carry to 1000's place. Now 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 4, 11. The answer is 11,110. Got it? Clear till here? The remaining 4 examples on page number 23 you are going to solve by yourself, which are very easy. Okay? Now we will go to next question, that is B1. What is the B question? Same, add, but they had given question in horizontal. You can see in the textbook. Okay? Now I will tell you how to represent in book those questions. How to solve. Exercise 2.1, B question. What is the B question? Add. In that first one, what is the first question? 3,349 plus 8,021. Okay. Now what you will do, they are given horizontally, so we have to write vertically. So before that, what I suggest you, just give the place value to each number, ones, tens, 100, 1000. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Now draw one columns, ones, tens, 100, 1000. Okay, in this way. See, after giving place value, we have to leave one box for carry. Now we will write this number in place value chart. First we will take this number. On ones place, what is there? 9. So I have written 9. Tens place 4. Tens place 4. Hundreds place 3. Hundreds place 3. Thousands place 3. This we have studied in 3rd standard. Okay. So in ones place 1. Tens place 2. Hundreds place 0. And thousands place 8. Now we have to add this number. Now help me students to do the addition. 9 plus 1, 10. So how we will write? 0 on 1's place, 1 will carry to 10's place. Now 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. Now 3 plus 0. Whenever we add any number to 0, we get same as it is number, that is 3. Now 3 plus 8. See, now 3 plus 8 is 11. So this is 2-digit number. So we have to add one more column here to write 5-digit number. So as I told you, we are solving 4-digit number addition, but we are getting answers 5-digit number. Okay, in this way. Okay, got it? Now I will solve one more question for you. Now I will take second one, because in second one they had given one 3-digit number and one 4-digit number. The number is 897 plus 9,433. Okay. Now what you will do? Draw the columns, ones, tens, 100, 1000. You are going to draw this lines with the pencil, okay? But all question you have to write with pen. Leave one column for carry. Now first what you have to do, give the place value to the numbers, ones, tens, hundreds. Start from left side, ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Okay, we will take first number, this only. What is there on ones place? 7. So write on ones place 7. What is there on tens place? 9. So write 9 on tens place. What is there on hundreds place? 8. So I'll write 8 in hundreds place. The next number, ones place 3, tens place 3, hundreds place 4 and thousands place 9. Now we will draw one more line because in this sums we are getting answer in 5-digit number. Okay. Now we will add this number. Now help me students, 7 plus 3, 10. Okay. So 0 here, 1 will carry. Now 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. So write 3 on tens place, 1 we will carry to hundreds place. Now 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 4, yes students, 13. So write 3 here, 1 will carry. Here nothing is there means 0. So no need to count anything. So 1 and 9 is remaining. So 1 plus 9 is 10. So how you will write? 0 here, 1 in 10,000s place because we are getting answer in 10,000. So answer is 10,330. So you can write here 10,000s place. Got it? Okay. Now I will solve one more question for you. Now we will solve 7th one question. What is the 7th one question? The question is 8,832 and 2,876. So once you will write the place value to the given number, and if you are solving in place value chart, it doesn't require to write numbers from this side. So thousands place you can write directly 8832 and 2,876. Okay. Now let us add. 2 plus 6, 8. 3 plus 7, 10. So write 0 here and 1 will carry to hundreds place. So 1 plus 8 become 9. 9 plus 8, yes tell me, 9 plus 8, 17. So write 7 here, 1 will carry to thousands place. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. So again 5 digit is there. So the answer we got in 10,000s, that is 11,708. Understood? Yes students. One more example I'll solve for you, that is 8th one. Just now we have solved 7th one. The question is, what is the question? 9,876 and 678. Okay. So here 10,000 places there. So I'll place these numbers in place value chart. 6 on ones place, tens on tens place 7, hundreds place 8, thousands place 9. And ones place 8, tens place 7, hundreds place 6. Let us add these numbers together. Now tell me, 6 plus 8, yes students, 14. So write 4 here, 1 will carry to tens place. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 7, yes, 15. So we write 5 on tens place, 1 will carry to hundreds place. Now 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. So write 5 on hundreds place, 1 will carry to thousands place. Now 1 plus 9, 10. So we will write 10 in this way. Okay, so the answer is 10,554. So here I have solved for you 4 questions from B. So here we have completed our exercise 2.1. So remaining questions are very easy. You are going to solve by yourself. In next session we will start our exercise 2.2. So practice these sums today itself in your rough book. Okay. Thank you everyone.